Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for subscribing. Thank you for the views, and thank you for everything. Thank you for coming this far. Today I want us to review this website called Hawkit.ng. All right, this is not the first social media panel I'll be reviewing. I've talked about Pico workers. I've talked about Naira workers. This is just another one that I want us to look at objectively. Okay, so what are the things I want us to see here? Number one, I love the graphics. I love the interface. Everything is just sharp. And I'll be talking about the website on the headlines, the topics about everything that you can achieve on the website. Okay, so you can perform social media tasks and earn daily, which is a major focus for me. And then you can boost your social media portfolio. Whichever social media platform you are on, whether Facebook or Twitter or Snapchat or whichever, Instagram, any Facebook platform, WhatsApp, you can drive traffic to it through this website. And then you can start your airtime and data business here. And then you can also advertise. You can advertise your business on this platform, which is something interesting that I also want to talk about. Okay, you can refer and earn big, make money daily. You can manage your profile. Okay, so those are the topics. Those are the headlines on which I want to talk about. All right. So I've been on this website now for 2 weeks, and I've achieved a lot already. I'll show us everything. Number one is that at the beginning of the year, my major focus for my followers was to let them understand that they need to earn daily, especially in this economy that we are going through. This economic dispensation and how everything is hard. So you need to ensure that you are earning daily. And one way to ensure that is to be on a website like this, Hawkit.ng. Okay, so you can perform tasks daily. Like there are some people that they want you to do some things for them on their social media platforms. Like some people on Instagram want you to like their posts. Some people on Twitter want you to share what they've posted there. Some people on Facebook want you to share or like or comment what they've posted there. So for a fee, they will pay Hawkit, like they are the employer now. I'm looking at it from the employer angle. Anybody can be an employer on Hawkit to be to give out micro jobs to people in order to do all these things for them. Just like I explained, some people want you to like their pages, their posts. Some people want you to share their posts on Facebook, Instagram, everywhere. So they will pay Hawkit. They are regular guys like you and I. So they will pay Hawkit for you to do that task. And immediately you've done it and you sent a proof or like a screenshot of what they want you to do, you get paid immediately. So Hawkit is like an interface. Hawkit is like a go-between, like an intermediary between the employer that is giving out the small jobs, the micro jobs, and you, who may happen to be the employee, like the person the freelancer performing the micro job. And you can also be an employer too, if you want people to do something for you. So it's like a trade-off. It goes either way. You can give out micro jobs. You can also do micro jobs. So it's a site where you can earn daily by performing tasks, or you can also give people tasks to do. And then that's the part where they say boost your social portfolio. In case you want to help make people do some things for you, you can actually pay Hawkit. You can pay Hawkit through your bank account. You can pay Hawkit through the money that you have earned on the platform. And then here they are also saying that you can start your airtime business. And the most interesting thing for me on Hawkit, which you can do for free, is to place your adverts on Hawkit for free. So immediately you get registered, you can place whatever business you are doing there for free, and I mean for free. So another thing I like about Hawkit is that it has something to do with your location. You know, it's somehow when you are in Lagos and you are trying to market someone. If you're especially when you are not into e-commerce, you are trying to market someone outside Lagos, it might be your business might not really favor people that are outside Lagos. For example, those of us that are into some people that are into foods, food stuff, perishables. They just want to get their thing done around their locality. And then doing your business around your locality boosts trust. So if you're the one that really wants to know the businesses that are going on around your locality, and you also want to place your adverts to people that are in your locality so that maybe you can meet up with them in a public place, in a trusted place. Please don't meet with anybody that you don't know. The country is hard and everything. But you can meet with people. You want people to come to your shop. You want people to meet you in a public place. Then so that they can trust you, so that they can trust your business. Then you can place your advert on Hawkit. And people in your location will see you. You get my business is in Amuwo-Odofin area. I have a business. I sell smartwatches in Amuwo-Odofin area. People in Amuwo-Odofin area can see me. I can also see other people doing businesses in that area. So that's just wonderful for me. And all this is for free. So it is when you want to make money on Hawkit that you might need to fund your account. So that takes us to signing up. Okay, once you click on sign up, probably from the link, somebody must have sent you a referral link for you to join Hawkit. Like if I sent you my referral link, you would see the referral's username, which in my case is Emmanuel235. If somebody else sent you their own referral link, you will see their own username. So whatever username you're seeing there must be the username of the person that sent you their link. So anybody can send you any video, but whoever you are signing up must be from the link, the referral link that they are sending to you. Like, you can also use this video to explain to someone, but make sure that you give them your link so that they won't sign up with Emmanuel235. They'll sign up with your own link. Okay, so you put in your username, you put in your phone number, you put in your email, and then they're going to confirm your email if truly the email is real, because everybody in Hawkit, they want everybody in Hawkit to be real people and not bots or robots. So everybody on Hawkit, it should be real. So they'll send you a referral code to your email, and you're going to confirm that. And once you confirm that, it shows that you're a real person and not a robot. So you can then have your own. You can then fund your account, log in. Like I'm going to log in now. I'm going to say okay, so I'm going to log in now. Okay, voila. So here I'm in my account, I'm in my space. You can see, just like I said earlier, I'm seeing businesses in Amuwo-Odofin where I claim to be my location. So whatever location you put there, you'll see people in your area. So at the top here, you can see my balances. My balance presently, as I'm recording this video, I hope it increases. But as I'm recording this video, I have 1,877 naira there now. But I've spent 8,338 naira. The first time I funded my account with 1k, it recorded here amount spent as 1k. So I've made an extra 7k, and I've spent it. I've been able to withdraw. So that's what's giving me the confidence to share this opportunity with people, and so that they can also come on board, advertise their products, and if they want to be earning daily, then they can also fund their account and dish out, broadcast their referral links. Okay, so Once you come down, you scroll down, you can see all these things I'm talking about. So you can refer and earn big. Another thing I like about Hawkit is that while other social media partners I've seen, they would ask you to work up to like 2K or 5K before you can withdraw, so that they can be sure that you are working. But on Hawkit, it's not like that. Any amount you make, you can withdraw it immediately, and I've been able to withdraw my earnings immediately. So you can manage your profile, you can put in your bio, you can put in your picture, just like you can see here. And then if you scroll down, you see people that are already working. I've even given out a job. I've given out a micro job for people to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You see, on social media nowadays, I tell people that, look, you have to make your target like 10,000 followers, whether on if you really want to be serious in business on social media, just pick your most favorite social media platform, whether it's Facebook or Instagram or YouTube. Just pick one first and aim towards 10,000 followers on that one that you've picked. It might not happen in 1 month, it might not happen in 6 months, but just have it at the back of your mind that you are working towards 10,000. And one way to do it is for you to use a platform like this to tell people to go to your link or your Facebook link or your YouTube channel to follow you. So here is a good one. Okay, so you can see the number of people that have viewed your product. You can even chat them. You can chat, like if I click, like if I liked this unique decluster and I view the product, the phone number that you put on the website is the phone number that you can quickly chat the person. So if I click on WhatsApp here, it will take me to the person's WhatsApp account straight. It will even give me like an automated message for me to send to the person that I saw the person's advert on Hawkit. I will just click on send, and the person will know that I'm from Hawkit and I saw the person's advert on Hawkit. So it's to me, it's like my dream. It's like my dream social media panel, something I would like to have in future. You get, so I can go back and view other people's posts too. Then if you click on the profile, you can see that just like any other affiliate marketing business, everything has been done for you. I can see my number of referrals. Another beauty is that I can even chat them. I can chat them one-on-one. I can see my referrals. I can send them a chat, maybe to follow them up. Maybe they've registered and they've not funded their account. I can send them a chat, I can view as many of them as possible. Then I can invite my friends. If I tap on this blue invite friends, it will give me like a write-up, already made write-up that has my referral link, ready made, that I can just copy, I can just copy and take to my Facebook account, just copy it immediately, go to my Facebook account, put the Hawkit picture that I got from their Instagram account, then paste what I just copied from their website now. Okay, I've not copied it. I can go to their website. So this is the ready-made. Sorry. I select or copy, go to my Facebook, just within minutes. You can just paste it like that, and boom. Everybody on my Facebook account will see that I'm marketing for Hawkit, and that was how I got 8K on the site from my first week of registration. So, what else do we need to know about Hawkit? You can tap here to copy. Okay, so this is I uploaded my 20 days digital marketing training on Hawkit, and you can see here the price. You can see how many people have viewed it. You can see how many people have viewed my product or my service. You can see the number of people that have viewed it. One person has commented. Everything is just wonderful. So the prayer here is for them to be able to sustain this beautiful thing, but in as much as it's still existing, we can still make do with it, and we pray for them. Me personally, I'm praying that it continues and they get better and better. It's a good one, and I'm recommending it. I'm recommending it that we can make do with this website, especially for those of us that want to be earning daily. So if you're new on my channel, I love to give us a lowdown about the different things that are happening on social media concerning digital marketing generally. It's the money making niche. So let us understand how you can do well in business by using different tools, different trainings. If you go through my channel, you'll see some videos of tools that I've already explained in video, and some other things that I've talked about that can take your business to the next level. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you very much for your data. I hope this review has been helpful and that you will sign up. If you really want to continue, then you can check in the description to get yourself registered on Hawkit through my referral link in the description. If you look well, you will see, even in the comment area, you see somewhere that's like the description where you can tap and get to the website instantly. Thank you very much. We can also be friends on WhatsApp in case you have any challenge or you're facing any challenge on the website. We can go through it together. We can be friends on WhatsApp. Just get registered on the site first, then chat me up so that we can get to know ourselves better. Thank you. See you in my next video. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. More videos are loading. See the list of videos I have in stock for us this year. These are the things that I still want to talk about. I've written them out. How well do you love your business? Difference between savings and investments. Understanding the concept of money. Business hangouts. The difference between network marketing and affiliate marketing. Africans in diaspora doing businesses in Nigeria and Africa. I have interesting topics lined up. So please subscribe to my channel to follow up with me and be my friend. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye.